Hi students. After we got part 1 and we knew now that if I have any list, let's say spam has a list 1, 2, 3 and 4, we know that the 1 has an index of 0, index of 1, index of 2 and index of 3. We knew that. Now if I write spam and I write for -1. What the meaning -1? It means that you go to the last one and this is going to be -1. What about the next? It's going to be -2. Next, -3. Next, -4. So if I need to add an index with negative, I have to know that the last one is -1. If I write, let's say, -3, so what Python will return? It's gonna return 2. But if I write spam -1, Python will return 4. So if I look to this spam here, it has cat, bat, rat, elephant. Spam -1, it's gonna be the last one, elephant. Spam -3, so I have to count. This is -1, this is -2. That means bat is -3. So now I can write this sentence and I can say that spam -1 is afraid of the spam -3, which means the elephant is afraid of the bat. So this is in case I need to use negative index. Now, there is something else that if I need a slices, which means what? If I have a list, and this list it's spam, and I have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example. And let's say I need to focus only with 3 to 6. We call that, this is like a slice of the list that I have, that I assign it to spam. So how I can get the 3, 4, 5, 6? Don't forget that this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the index. So now if I need this slice from 3 to 6, how I can write it? I can write spam, open the square bracket and say what? I want to start from index 2. From index 2. Go until 6, which is index 5. I don't write 5, I write 6. Because the 1 in the index set is not going to be included. So that means it's going to go from index 2 till index 5, from here to here. So it will return these numbers for me, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you see the example on the left side, I have spam equal cat, bat, rat, elephant, and I ask to choose a slide from 0 to 4. I know this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. And this is right. It's not going to give me an error message. Someone will say, oh, you asked for 4. Actually, 4 is not included. So it's going to take from 0 to 3. Therefore, the answer is going to be something like that. It's not wrong. If I say from 1 to 3, that means I need only from 1, and 3 is not going to be included. That means until 2. So it's going to be bat, rat. If I say spam 0, -1, from, so spam from 0 to -1. The -1 is not going to be included, the one before. So that means from 0, that means cat. And after that, it's going to go until, if the elephant is -1, that means rat is going to be the last one. So cat, bat, rat. So don't forget, the first one is included in the slide, but the last one not included. So this is very, very important to know. So if I have, let's say, I'm going to go to Python. I want to test some list. So if I have something like, I can say student list, and I'm going to say equal to, I open the square bracket and I say what? I need student A, after that student B, after that student C, and after that student D, and I close the bracket with this way. So student list A, B, C, D. So if I ask for student list and I click enter, it known that it's A, B, C, D. Perfect. Now if I need only student list and I open the bracket, the square bracket, and I choose from 0 until, let's say, 3. So I close the bracket. That means what? That means I need to include 0, I need to include 1 and 2, and do not include 3. Stop. Do not include the 3. So it's gonna return ABC. ABC. If I say student list and I'm gonna choose, open bracket, from 1 until, let's say, 2. I want to see how Python will understand it. So include the 1. So that means it's not A, it's B. So it's gonna be B because B is index 1. And after that, stop at the one before 2. So that means it's only 1 only. So it should return only B because the 2 is not included and the 1 is included. So if I click enter, it's gonna return B. Now we're gonna see the last option that we can have. Sometimes we can write something like spam and nothing colon 2. What the meaning of nothing? That means start from 0 until 2. So if I'm gonna say 0, 1 and 1 and this is 2, do not include the 2 for sure. So the 2 is not included, so it's gonna be only cat and bat. That's why it returns cat and bat. Now what about if 1 colon nothing? That means go till the end, from 1 till the end. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is the 3, the end 1. So it's gonna be bat, rat, elephant. Now if I'm saying empty colon empty, spam, empty, nothing, colon empty, what is gonna happen? That means take it from the first till the end. So it's gonna be cat, bat, rat, elephant. And this is when you want to repeat again the whole list of the spam. And the last thing now, you are familiar already with the function length. You know very well that there is a function called length. So if I'm saying, let's say len bracket, and I'm gonna say string, I'm gonna type string between quotation. So what Python will do, will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's gonna return 6. But if I say len and I put inside the bracket the spam, let's say, and spam here has cat, bat, rat, elephant, right away it's gonna tell me 4. This 4, it's not because 1, 2, 3, 4 spam, it's 4. No, since I didn't put double quotation, it's not gonna count spam. It's gonna count how many element or terms, how many terms in spam or in this list. So it's gonna return 4. Here in this example, spam equal cat, dog, moose. Now I'm gonna say count how many terms. It's 1, 2, 3. Give me the size. So it's gonna return the size with 3. So let's test it in something that we have already. We have students lists A, B, C, D. So imagine if I'm asking now len and I open students lists and I close, it should return 4 term. That means the length is 4. I hope you understood these examples. and I will continue with part number 3. Thank you.